Well, you just saw robots from around the world helping to improve the lives of older adults, but closer to home here in studio, we've welcomed Forood from VTRAC Robotics. Forood, thanks for being here.
Thank you.
And your special companion, iPAL, Buddy. Hi, Buddy.
Hello,
how
everyone.
are you?
Hi, Marissa.
How are you, Buddy?
I'm great. I'm so excited to be here on the Zoomer.
I hear you're a great companion for older adults.
I am a robot who likes to help people, and I play them their favorite music. Shall I play a song now?
Yes, please.
To get people dancing. Let's get dancing. Can everyone do this?
Hold my hand.
Oh.
Baby, kiss me. Fill my heart.
Okay, well, this is adorable. Maybe we can turn the music off and I can ask you a few questions about Buddy.
Sure.
So, wow, where do I start? So, what was the impetus for creating a robot like Buddy?
Well, the first actual motivation was 4 years ago. I was in elderly care facility, and I just, visited the lady, and she mentioned that she didn't have any visitor for 4 years. Mm-hmm. So that's kind of triggered the idea, and I thought, how can we turn this around and create an environment which would be more engaging.
So it's really to combat social isolation?
That and a little bit more. I think besides isolation is also communication, more communication with the family members, more practice, music, and also add some other features that can stimulate the brain a little bit more in the sense that, some exercises, some math exercises, and so on.
And we talk about features, I mean, how about even just daily reminders?
Yes, we have several features that we can customize the robot for to, remind your, medication, your exercise, call your family and friends, and so on. So we can just customize a lot of those items.
What's fascinating to me is that, again, when we think about robots, we think about something in the future, but they're here today, and robots like Buddy are being used all over the world. I mean, how widespread or ubiquitous is Buddy?
Buddy right now is in 17 countries. You can actually take one home today. And
for a small fee.
Yes, it's about $4,500. It's the price of a TV if you really think about it. And this is probably the most affordable robot in the world right now.
Yeah.
A lot of schools, they have them. We started with schools, with children's schools, and then we go to universities, and gradually we had enough knowledge so we can start to build some apps that they can use more for elderly care facilities or for homes.
So he's mostly in care facilities, or is he in homes right now?
In homes too.
And how do you program them? I mean, it's very individualized, you would think.
Actually, this is so simple that you won't believe it. If you can use your TV and you can use your phone, you can use Buddy. It takes you 15 minutes to learn it.
Yes, and you can just program him with, he or she, I suppose, with the schedule that you want to be reminded of, some of the reminders that you want to hear throughout the day, get up, be active, some of the songs you want to hear. Is that how that works?
Yeah, it has a very simple screen at the front that is a touch screen. You can pick, the song that you want or music you want to put in, or reminder. It's very easy. All finger touch. You can touch them and program them. And if you want to go deeper and wider than that, we can actually customize the application for you.
Now, I'm curious, so I understand Buddy can't necessarily replace a caregiver. Is that the idea? Is the future where robots eventually replace that personal care?
Actually, our company's belief is we are robotics for humans. So we actually opposed to the situation that we have to replace people. Mm-hmm. we don't believe that there is a national or even global strategy how to deal with robotics issues or RPAs. And till then we stay away from it. Our idea is just to improve the quality of life.
Yeah.
And we don't like to put people out of job. We think this would be something that complements what they do.
Yeah. All right, well, Forood, thank you for bringing in your robots. And Buddy, I have to ask, would you like to take us to break?
Sure. More from the Zoomer coming up after this break.